Y'all. Sorry, hold on. Cleanup time. This is a radiator job. I just changed the radiator.
Stay looking Thursday, ain't even Thursday. I'm rocking her mix.
Radiator in my 2001 Ford Explorer. This job, guys, if you see, it's brand new right here. It's such a bitch, and I'm gonna tell you why. So you have these lines, this one line, 2 lines down there, and this took me about 25 minutes to tighten up with a regular 5/8 wrench because of the fact that there's no space. And I thought I would enjoy working on the truck because there was space. Come on, man. I thought I would work on the truck because there was space, but it's actually no more space in the car. So don't think it's any different. If anything, it's more heavier, it's more stronger, everything is bigger. Yeah, so, you know, the tools you're gonna need for a radiator job is a 10mm socket, 9mm socket. I got my little ratchet gun. Maybe a couple of pliers, an extension, right, to take out all these hoses. And basically you take out all the hoses on the top. And be careful with the plastics. The plastics right here on the end kind of held me up. But it didn't matter. On this one I could have broke it, but I didn't know what was holding me up. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So the radiator I do not recommend. I mean, it's an easy replacement. It took me about an hour and a half, let's say. Maybe 2. It's definitely something you could do with yourself, but I do not recommend. I did not have fun on this job. And this is a 5.0 liter V8 engine. It's a limited edition truck. With it being limited edition, it's actually hard for me to find certain parts. Like that radiator it says it's the right one for the truck, but it didn't have these little clamps that I was telling you about to hold the condenser in on the sides, which doesn't make any sense. I hope I don't have any more issues, but everything else fit, which was the most important thing. So now it's time to make it start and run. So I got my helper here, and we put in purified water in this. I'm only doing this for today. Tomorrow I would drain the radiator. I'm just trying to clean the coolant passageways with the green water, the green coolant and the orange coolant. I did notice that this has orange coolant in the bottom and it's supposed to have green, so we're gonna go and do this real quick. And basically just cap it off, leave it open, turn the car on, fill some more water up, and then keep on going. Slow down. Fill up the reservoir and the extra. See how it's consistent. No bubbles coming up. No bubbles being done. There's no holes. Close it right here. Okay. Next to here. It's a little warm, but actually I don't even need to fill it because it's already full. It's not going to leak out. I just want it to drain. What happens is put it on me. Black. It's going to drain. So after the car gets warm in about 10 minutes or so, it's or the thermostat's gonna open up and pull all the water in. That water's gonna mix in with whatever fluid is in the engine, right? And then it's gonna rotate back out, back in, back out. So what I'm gonna do is tomorrow, drain the radiator, and then fill it up with green coolant. That's it, done, job done. Everything's good, no leaks, good. All good. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna put the cover, there's a radiator cover. I'm gonna put it in the trunk until tomorrow, and then after I drain it, I'll be good. Other than that, we're done. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.